Hello and welcome to my new video series. This is all about the Microsoft 365 Message Center and the major announcements that Microsoft makes. My mission in life is to keep everybody updated on what's going on the Office 365 platform. Now, you may be aware if you're using it that it changes very often. Microsoft's constantly rolling out updates and making changes, and it can be very difficult to stay up to date with what's going on. So in this series, what we're going to do is we're going to create a load of short videos all about the different announcements that come up. So we'll be looking at the news, we'll be looking at major releases and major updates going on the platform, and hopefully what we can do is we can actually dive in, have a look at what that means, what the implications are for you, and what you need to know. And if there's something interesting to show, hopefully we can demonstrate it as well. So just in case you're not sure what the Message Center is, then we can just take a quick look. So this is the Message Center. You get this in your Office 365 admin panel. So you've probably seen it. You probably get the emails in. You probably have the best intention of reading them as well. But the reality is, do you? So probably not, and that's why I'm going to go through and actually read them for you. So hopefully watching a load of 5-minute videos is going to be a lot easier than going in, reading your emails and actually keeping up with it. So it's very important if you are managing customers or you are managing a tenant that you know what's going on the platform. If not, then how do you expect to support your users and let them know what's going on? How do you expect to prepare for change? So if we take a quick look here, then this is the Message Center. We can see there's a series of updates already out there. So quite a lot. So there's a lot of things going on. If you don't know what's happening here, then how can you support it? These are all in January. All these updates in January. Things that you need to be aware of, things you need to know. Admin changes, new features, things like that. So if we go here, there we go. 4th of January is the first one. SharePoint page authoring, new first run experience, and there's all these changes. So what we're going to do, I'm not going to go back right to the beginning of January, but I'll probably go back a week, and the first set of videos is going to be those. And then going forward, as new items come into this list, then I will keep you up to date. Okay, so please make sure that you subscribe, turn on the bell icon so that you get a notification each time I post a new video, and then you can really keep on the cutting edge of what's going on the platform. So it's just a quick introduction video just to let you know what we're going to be talking about. So get involved in this playlist. Please leave me comments. What do you think of the format? Is there anything you would like me to cover or in a different way you would like me to represent it? I'll keep evolving this over time, but I hope you get value out of it, and I look forward to seeing you in the upcoming videos. Thank you very much and goodbye.